In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on Passwords and Accounts. Now select this gear next to Google located under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager section and click on Add Password over here. Now you need to input all of your information. At the top you can select any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner to add your password to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!